How to change primary monitor on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to change your primary monitor on your Windows 10 or 11, if you want to switch from your monitor 1 to 2, then you need to right click on your screen and here you will have display settings. Go with your display settings. Under your display settings, in my case, I only have one display, so I don't have an option of 1 and 2. But if you have two displays, then you will have display 1 and display 2. Or you can also go with multiple displays, which is right here, and you may have your devices. You just need simply go with your display 1 that you would like to set and scroll all the way down, and you will find an option of make this my main display under multiple displays. You just need simply go and select the option of make this my main display and it will be set as your main display. Or if you want to set display 2 or monitor 2 as your main display, then you can select the second monitor, scroll all the way down to your multiple displays and select the option of make this my main display. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.